Hey you guys, today we're going to be working on operations with decimals, particularly adding and subtracting. So, step one, the numbers should be written on the top or on top of one another with the decimals in line. So I've already started that for you. I have 156 and 4/10 plus 45 and 68 hundredths. Notice how it's not the numbers that are lined up, but the decimals that are lined up. So this can be a little bit different than what we're used to, but those decimals need to be one on top of one another. Another problem that I have is 78 and 41 hundredths minus 3 and 1/10. And again, those decimals are what's lined up. Step two, fill in the empty space or empty places with zero. So this just makes subtraction and addition a little bit easier. In my addition problem, I don't have a number above the 8, so I'm going to put a 0 right above that. I could put a 0 right underneath the 1, but we usually don't do that. We usually don't have zeros in front of numbers, so that's why I'm not going to do it. But again, that is something you can do. And then we have in my subtraction problem, I don't have this top one being subtracted by anything. So I'm going to put a 0 right at the end so that that now has something that I can subtract by. Now that my numbers look much better, I can do some adding and subtracting. And from here, you're going to add and subtract the numbers in the columns just like normal. It's nothing different. Don't worry about that decimal place right now. So for my addition, 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. So I'm going to put that 0 down and carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 5 is going to be 12. So I put the 2 down below, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is going to be, let's see if I can do math. Here we go, 10. And then we're going to carry the 1 again. 1 plus 1 is 2. There we go. We did our addition problem. A little bit of a brain skip, but we were able to do it. Next, what we have is our subtraction problem. Again, subtracting the exact same way. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 7 minus nothing is 7. So again, you also could have put a 0 there if you wish, but that was not necessary. Yay, I have my numbers. Now all I have to do is bring those decimals straight down. So that's why it's really important to line them up. I have a decimal, and then I'm going to bring it down one more time so that my answer is 202 and 8 hundredths for my addition problem. Same thing here. I have my 2 decimal places right here. I'm going to follow them down and put another one right there for my answer of 75 and 31 hundredths. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know.